Hi! How have you been? Hey, hi, how are you? I'm fantastic. So, tell me, how's the US treating you? Honestly, it's been amazing. It's a whole new world out here. Though it's been quite a journey, way more than just the flight over, especially the whole process of getting here. Well, it's incredible that you're doing your master's in the US. But tell me something. I'm puzzled. How did you get such a big education loan? And I guess it's without the collateral, right? Yes, right. Well, it seems complex, I know, but let me explain. It's way simpler than you think. Understanding education costs in the US. So let me break it down for you. My first essential cost was tuition fees. Public universities may charge you around $25,000 a year, but private ones can go beyond $50,000. For living expenses, it varies, like in cities like Boston, where I'm based, you would need around a good $15,000 to $20,000 a year for accommodation, food and other basics. And by the way, other expenses matter too. Health insurance here is a must and can cost a couple of $1,000s annually. So please don't forget travel expenses for holidays, plus books and supplies, which can add several $1,000s more to your annual budget.
That's a hefty sum. How does one cover all that?
Exactly. That's why education loans are extremely vital. Education loans are diverse. You've got federal loans, usually with better interest rates and terms, and private loans, which might offer more flexibility. Loans can come with or without collateral requirements. Collateral-free loans are based on your academic merit and future earning potential, not assets. And they generally have higher interest rates and need a strong credit history. Well, the advantage, you are not risking personal or family assets as collateral. So, for applying, you need your university admission letter, academic records, maybe a cosigner, and proof of financial stability. The approval process varies, okay? But being thorough with your paperwork definitely speeds up the process.
What is the approval process though?
Once you submit your application with all required documents, the lender will review your credit history and academic credentials. So, they might also conduct an interview, and approval can take a few weeks. Stay in touch with the lender for updates and any additional information they might need. A pro tip here, be realistic with your budgeting and avoid errors like underestimating living costs or not researching enough about loan options. Now, time for some crucial advice. First, plan your finances well. Understand your repayment capacity and choose a loan that fits your future income projections. And also, you can use loan calculators to estimate monthly repayments.
Oh, but what are some common mistakes to avoid?
So many questions you ask, but it's a great question. See, don't underestimate your living costs. Be realistic about your expenses in the US. Like avoid overlooking the loan terms, especially the interest rates and repayment period. And ignoring these can lead to financial strain later. Also, maintain a good credit score and keep all your financial documents organized and updated. Remember, having a co-signer with a strong credit history can significantly improve your chances of loan approval and may even get you better terms.
This all sounds a little complex. How did you manage to do it all so smoothly?
Honestly, I couldn't have navigated it all on my own for sure. UniCreds helped me. They guided me through every step from selecting the right loan to handling the paperwork but paperless. Their digital platform is all you need, and I highly recommend checking them out for hassle-free education loan processing.
Incredible! Thanks, yeah, I'll definitely check them out.
Please do. Just like my friend, if you are someone looking for an education loan to study in the US, make sure you visit unicreds.com and get all your queries sorted. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching.